been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves, we go bottoms up, we go all the way.
Alright, so one of these trim pieces had a stripped out screw, right? I take this off, and this is what I find. It's a screw inside of a screw, dude. How is that possible? I don't understand how that's possible. Look at that. Look at this ridiculousness. It's like someone screwed into a screw head and made like the thread of the screw disappear somehow.
What?
Yeah, it's crazy.
No.
There's a ledge here.
Hidden under all that caulking or whatever.
Well, I'm pretty sure this is 5200, and they used it to stick the trim, but I can't get in there with a sander on that top of that ledge. See that ledge?
Yeah.
See that ledge right there? I can't get on top of that ledge with the sander to sand all this down. So we're using this whittling scalpel to get in here, and it's super time consuming. Scrape all, see all that? I mean, it's in there, you know? And it's not to mention the butyl tape, the other caulking, the sealant. This is like a rust line from water.
Sand that off though.
Yeah, from water seeping down, hitting the nails, or the screws rather, and then settling at the bottom of the trim.
It's hot.
Barlow 32. So the first thing we got to do is get this, I don't know if it's like a bearing cap.
It's threaded gear. That's crazy. Dang, that's...
Bring that bucket back over towards you. Maybe we should put all them screws
in a smaller bucket. They don't like that.
breaking them loose.
Yeah.
You see that?
Self-tailing.
Okay.
Oh, that's what it's doing. It's keeping this.
Okay.
That's what the gears do.
There's,
Yeah, flatheads.
yeah, there's 4 of them.
No, don't have to do
Okay,
that.
okay, careful.
Nice and smooth she goes.
Okay, that whole piece came off together.
So we gotta get that one, that one, that one, that one.
And those are all on the inside of the...
Yeah, these are, nuts are down under there. Over there. The grease is still green. I think she's good.
marine grease. Still green. Aiden says one of the bolts is bent. Did you get it?
I think so. Yep, I did.
Man. One more?
Ready?
What do you think? Let me get those. What is it?
Look at that, it's a clean cut.
Nice. Good job.
It would be a small washer.
A washer?
A washer.
Like rusted on there? Here.
Yeah. Got him off. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, I got him off. All off by myself. Days before you knew.
Put a hand on either.
Next to the danger edge.
Wiggle, wiggle. Might have to tap those out and get them started.
One of them sawzawed off already.
Really? Probably put those in the orange bucket.
There.
There it is.
That. Too hideous.
Come on.
Just gotta sense.
Huh?
Just gotta sand that down. There's a little buff on it. Maybe some corrosion X. It's okay. So as long as it's lubricated, we're good.
Well, it's got like some kind of spacer on the second ring.
It's not.
See how this one's got 5 bearings? This one's only got 4, and it's got some sort of hard rubber spacer.
Not even rubber, that's plastic.
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 So we got in and filled all these screw holes and cracks and everything in these window seats. Now we just got to smooth them back out. Right, Aiden?
Right. So we got the fairing compound on here. We started sanding it. Right on. We started sanding it, but we found that the corners are especially difficult to, yeah, they're rounded. So our corner sander, whatever Dad calls it, a caddy sander, it's not exactly getting the right angles or anything on there. So we're finding corner sanding. Yeah, we're having to hand sand the corners, so it's taking a little longer than expected. But this one's done, so I can put the old window back in there, mask it off, and then we can paint over it soon. Years and years of chipping on the windowsills. Us having to pretty much reshape the windows completely. The windowsills completely. How fast is this stuff hardening today?
Less than 5 minutes.
Okay.
And you can see all that.
Yeah.
Call me the Joker, call me the fool. When she calls, I always seem to lose my cool. Baby, I'm just a moth to your flame. And don't you know that loving you is a train wreck waiting to happen? Don't you know that loving you is a train wreck waiting to happen? Yes, it is, baby. Got no class, all attributes. Don't know if I'm talking about me or you, baby. No one gets me like you do. I said loving you is a train wreck waiting to happen.
So we got this portion of the window area all painted up with the fishboat paint. It's looking good. It's a lot better than, say, these spots where it was, pretty much. Right, Dad?
Don't you know, babe, loving you is a train wreck waiting to happen.
What are you guys doing? Taking out work. Yep. Alright, Asher, what's that? I'm poking. Alright. Let's go. Shush. Come on. Come on. Are you ready, Asher? Yeah. It's so windy. Keep on holding it, bud. Come on. Bobby, come on. Very heavy. It's very heavy? Yep. This one's bigger than the other one. No. We got to step on the second step. On the wrong step. Okay. Okay, Asher. Okay. Look at all that. High five. High five. High five. All right.
So we're finishing up this this small project. We wanted to get these windows filled in and complete and whole again. So all of these windows had cracks and fractures and gaps and voids in this window structure, you know, whatever you want to call this, the window frame. You know, they had so many cracks and fractures and screw holes and voids and breaks. So we went through inside and out and we completely filled them all back in and, you know, sanded them all back down and found all of those potential problems and made them whole and complete again. So all of these are done. So we got them all in the salon. All the windows surrounding the salon, all the window frames surrounding the salon are now, you know, without any holes, without any voids. So that's great. And then we're putting this paint. So I think it, you know, it's just going to help seal things up, kind of smooth things out, and help us see if there's any problems that we need to deal with or address now. And then from here, we're going to add the backing board for the wall panels and for the outside trim. It's what all of that's going to connect to. So next, that's what we're going to do. But it's looking good. What do you think, Aiden? Looking good?
Yeah.
What's up? Hey. Where did you? Hey.
Come here. Let me get closer to you.
You be nice to me.
Where did you work then, Dad? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching.